Hey folks, today we're going to be working on my F250 Super Duty 6.7 Power Stroke. So I've been meaning to get at this, but the front U-joints are bad, and I'm going to put a leveling kit in it. It already got a 6-inch zone lift kit in it. I did some research, and you can actually do a 3-inch leveling kit on a solid axle truck. So that's what we're going to do here. In the back, I'm going to be doing, these come with a 2-leaf setup. And we're going to go with a 4-leaf setup this time. The F350s come with a 3, and I'm going to just jump to a 4 because why not? So anyways, at the end of the day, hey! At the end of the day, it's going to be this. Right now she's kind of like that. And when I haul the trailer, it does this right down the bump stops. So long story short, it's going to be a good night. Big ass crew is coming. Andrew's already here. Mark and Big Jay's coming. It's going to be a good night. Bring some coffees. Who brought the coffees?
Mark's on his way with the coffees.
Woo! All right. Stay tuned.
No more saggy butt.
No more saggy butt.
Cue intro.
I think it's this side, Jay.
Like two little, just looks like that's all it is, a C-clip, the whole thing?
Yeah, the C-clip and then the bearing.
That thing.
That one's VIP.
That one is VIP. Who's peas? No peas? VIP.
European.
Oh, there we go.
European. European.
No, it doesn't zoom though.
What?
Get that sock, one in sock.
Which one do you want?
The long one.
Crickets in your garage.
Crickets, yeah. I thought they're my little buddies when I'm out here by myself. My buddy Cricket.
I didn't figure it in that fucking
Rod said the monster got fixed.
Yeah. All right, so that's cracked. That's good.
What's he gotta do next?
I just gotta
Slide it.
turn it, and then I gotta whack this one here, and then they should be able to come back out. I'll get the.
And the hub should slide out.
Yeah, I think this one's the first. That one I had that one I had off last year. I did the bearing on that one, and then this one I'm pretty sure has been off because it just seems like everything's coming apart pretty good.
There you go.
I put it on tight.
Sometimes you gotta use this special tool Mark's got. Called metal piping.
horse fender stuff like this.
I think this is the one I made, but that probably works. This one's here too.
Yeah, that one's got more leverage than one Mark got.
Done. Special tools! That's me!
Yeah, Mark, you're a special tool, that's right.
Yeah.
You're special.
Lay in pipe. Since you're going in bed? Oh, man.
Yeah, both of them. Turn the wheel, boys.
Turn that wheel, Mark.
It's locked. Which way?
Other way.
Your other
Other way, Max. Keep going.
There she goes.
There she goes.
Alright, so when I bought this truck, I found out a few things, and I usually name my vehicles, and I named this truck Karen. So anyone you guys know this truck, you probably understand why I named her Karen. So
I'm going to try to do a few things with this truck over the years, but this is a great start.
You reefed them on tight.
I put it so it didn't come off. This is a lot of truck for stuff to come off on.
Alright, so thanks for tuning in to watch this episode. This was just a night the bad gas guys came to my place and gave me a hand with my truck. It's been sitting a little bit and I've been meaning to get at it, but life's a little hectic sometimes. So down the road, stay tuned to see the leaf springs in the back going in and a few other odds and sods. But thanks again.
How do you get this out, Rob?
Trying to get the axle
How
out.
do you get the axle wide out, doesn't it?
Yeah, it should be just in the vacuum. You just gotta break that vacuum thing.
What vacuum thing?
In there, right?
Vacuum seat.
You should just
Do you
pop
let
it.
fluid out of the front end, out of the axle, by the way, or do you
No
already do
fluid.
Should just pop.
Oh yeah. Oh!
Yeah, there goes. Whoa. There it goes. Yeah. This is also holding it
I
in.
knew I paid $10 for that. Huh? Gonna straighten the wheel a little bit.
Feet on her. Way to get the old
Always good at that.
Hey. Always gonna get something.
Hey, good job, Jay. Is that fun?
Lots of fun.
Rusty Nova Scotia gear.
Rusty, I'm supposed to get that one broke.
Alright, so the Bad Gas crew had a great time here tonight. Just doing a little finalize. I don't know if it's the end of this video, but for tonight, it's the end. So we got all the axles out, both sides. I got that all Scotch Brite there, got it all cleaned up. This side, so we got her down. So the next step would be to block it a little bit better for safety, and we're gonna get that spring compressor or get the axle down a little bit further so we can put the 3-inch leveling kit. There's a block, this piece comes off, the block goes in, and then this piece goes on top, and then that spring sits on top of the 3-inch spacer. I bought the proper kit, so comes with a relocator for the sway bar, and as well I got the relocator for the shock extender. It's a great kit. It's made by what's it called? Supreme Suspensions. Pretty impressive. I like it. It's beefy stuff, I must say. So we'll do a little bit more of that. The other side for now is we just got the jack here, but we'll do the other side first, and then we'll do this side. And I'm gonna get some more jacks so we can get that supported better. But yeah, great night. I guess you're wondering why I'm not using the hoist. The Ford don't fit on it right yet. She's not ready for the lift, so it's been sitting here for a little while. Didn't want to hold up the hoist, so it's good right here. It's low. Anything happens, she's not going too far, but it's great. Yep. Moving forward, great night. The Bad Gas crew. Woo.